संजय जी, just cutting you here and asking you, ये history class से आपको डर नहीं लगा?
हिस्ट्री से डरना क्या है? हमारी हिस्ट्री है. You know, in fact, it's wonderful that you have events in your history that you can actually go out and celebrate. And it's a double bonus when these events are need to be brought to audiences, and there is not much information about these events. Yeah, so I think it's a film that everybody here can be very proud of.
So moving to my next question, which is directed to the director, come lyricist, come right. You're going to be the next Vishal Bharadwaj on the scene. Please join us, Vibhu Puri, to tell us. और मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे यही होगा कि by the way ये हमारे history class में इतना interesting part क्यों नहीं था?
When I was at my school, history classes were my favorite classes. Thanks to my teacher, because she would dramatize everything. She would talk about, and then Bahadur Shah Zafar was lying in the bed, and from the other side the Britishers marched in. So I had never heard history as a boring subject through my school. So whenever when I thought of making a film, history came very naturally to me. Right now it seems like the history is little out of fashion, but actually a film like this, it's more than history, it's about human spirit. It's about the spirit that doesn't let you ever die. It's a spirit which pops up. So somewhere for me it was a very human story, emotional story, which I thought that I was blessed that the story came to me, because it's a very inspiring story.
I'm wearing my glasses and my hairdo is different in this film. Or I'm proud of a part of this project. I think Vibhu Puri is a prodigy. You have to watch his short film also, which was nominated for Student Academy Awards. He's a great linguist. जिस भाषा में I think जो हम तरस जाते हैं सुनने के लिए हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा में, वो आपको भाषा सुनने को मिलेगी. इनके डायलॉग्स कमाल के हैं. ये I think he's 34-35, a Punjabi boy from Delhi, but he can read and write in Urdu because he loves that language. तो आपको वो.
But out here we are here to talk about the film.
Of course, it is about the film. It is about the film. The language in the film is, I think, the purer form of what we normally speak. I think it's amazing, and he's done an incredible job in the film.
Pallavi, it's fabulous to see you in another avatar doing this, dance with sort of feel. I want to ask you कि आपके लिए subject कितना exciting था, because let's face it, आपने right from Karan Johar canvas to Madhur Bhandarkar, and now this in between realism and somewhere kind of fiction story is become a part of your bouquet as well.
I think I was very excited when Vibhu came to me with this film, because first of all it's based on a historical subject, and it's something which is very rare to be able to do as an actor, a female actor in this industry so early in your career. So I was very honored that Vibhu thought that I was somewhat capable or capable enough to pull off something which has to take people to another world, which has to transport people. And that's something which happens very rarely in one's lifetime as an actor. So I'm just very grateful for the opportunity, and I feel very honored that I got to work with these two guys.
You seem very adventurous.